So what's this thing called?
It's an inverter.
You think?
Then boom, fucking come like that. I'm like, help me.
I don't know how it works. You're on your own.
Like this.
It looks like the safety wires are broken on the bottom.
Huh?
The safety wires. It's seriously, it's got the pin pulled out.
Where?
On the bottom, it's broken. Okay, go to the back.
And?
Look, I'll show you. I wasn't actually kidding.
No. What is it about?
I don't know. There's.
Gee.
What's that?
Didn't it go over here?
No, you go look at it. It's.
I'm sure it's fine.
I warned you.
Alright. Oh shit. It is fucking broken. Look. That's not supposed to happen.
Well, that's what I was trying to tell you.
Oh shit.
Well, maybe you're supposed to put the pin in. Maybe that's what that. Maybe that cable so you don't lose the pin. Because look at there's some sort of holes in there for the pin, but that pin doesn't look strong enough.
No, that's just to block how far you will go.
Yeah. Okay. So maybe put it in there and.
Yeah, but this is moving. Like, it's moving inward. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't think it's working right.
No.